We will create JKS file. Click your menu bar, then you go build option, then here is the generate sign app bundle or APK. Click this option, and here is the two option, APK and Android app bundle. So this is already selected, so select this Android app bundle and click next. Click create new. Now create a store path. Now select where you want to save your JKS file. I want to save JKS file my C drive. You can select your computer other types, or you can select C drive. This is not a major issue. So create new, how to fix. Then you go and you set a file name. Just you set your key name. I set my key dot JKS. This is my name, my key name. Then save. It's already saved my path. Just you copy your path, select and Ctrl C. Then you create a node file. Then you save this information. My path location, path. This is my path location. Okay. Then you type a password. You set your key. Then alias type default 0. No problem. I select this, and again you can type same password or different password, no problem. And here is your basic information. You set your full name, first name, last name, and your organization name. No problem. Just I set my name is TechPost and my organization name is TechPost. Country location is Dhaka. You set your country location and your state and your country code. Yes, okay. And here my key alias is done. Then remember this password. Then next, and select project is and build. On bonus tips, when you build a new version, then you need a new version key. You open build gradle.kts in my Kotlin project, and Java is JS Java project. When you build a new project, just increase your version code and your version name. This is bonus tips. So now I check my KeyStore path location is safe or not. I go my C drive, and this is my project path folder, and save. Here is my JKS. I hope you understand JKS key and you successfully create your JKS file. If you feel this video is helpful, you can share your opinion by comment. And you have a new user, then subscribe. You have old user, or thank you.